1 plus 1 equals 2. 5 times 2 equals 10 and 10 divided by 10 equals 1. But this answer is not right because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a division operator present, we also have an addition operator present here, and we have parentheses present as well. So according to the rules, parentheses have highest priority as mentioned here. So let's solve what we have inside parentheses. 1 plus 1, that gives us 2. Our expression simplifies to 10 divided by 5 times 2. Now we have division and multiplication operator present here, and according to the rules, multiplication and division have equal priority, but the important thing is we must work from left to right. So we must solve this division first. 10 divided by 5, that gives us 2, and finally 2 times 2, that gives us 4, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.